Hello everybody and welcome to our new tutorial today. Today you have a new tutorial on or tricks on Petrel, and I would like to share it with you. When I try to match the well tops or real data well tops generated from MATLAB or even OpenHole logs with any surface generated from either seismic or Aero Magnetic or whatever, usually you have to have a difference between real data and surface, and in most cases you need to adjust this surface based on drilled well data. After drilling some wells, you have a new well tops, mismatch it with the generated surface, some sort of this, like you see here in the screen, and the red points is actual well data, and this surface is a two-way time from seismic. Now we are going to make a very simple process to adjust these wells on the surface or modify the surface according to the new well data. Let's go. This project is free. I can share with you upon your request. Just drop in comment and I can send it to you, no problem. In this project we have a surface called Kobe and 24 wells with only one surface. Let's see what is inside the well tops spreadsheet. 24 wells with only one surface, which is Kobe. We have X, Y, and Z in depth, of course in feet, and two-way time for each relevant depth. So we have two-way time as well as surface generated from two well time. Now let's do very simple trick. Right click on two-way time with auto and convert to points. You'll find the generated points here. Right click and see what is inside the same 24 wells with time. So we have X, Y, and time, real time from well logs or well data. Now let's go modify this surface, stratigraphy, make surface, delete the old exercise. Okay. For input data, I will show. Yes, we point to the surface generated already from time. For a while you can leave these automatic parameters and go for well adjustment. This is the main player in our video today. Well adjustment, point to the well tops points generated from well tops, and here, drop here, and you can play. There are many different methods, starting from conversion, moving average, minimum curvature. In our case, I like to play with minimum curvature, but you can play with the rest. You can try, and please leave your comments and feedback on these results. Let's see minimum curvature what happened. Then click OK. Make well reports in order to see what is the difference between after and before, and to check the new difference. The difference between well and surface should be 0. Let's apply and see what happened. Yes, this one is generated surface, the results of X, Y for each point, and the elevation before and after modification, and you see here the difference is going to 0, already 0 for all the wells. Okay, now let's check what is inside the surface. Okay, for a well, and open a 3D, oh sorry, to 3D window, and this is the new surface and a new the well tops in time domain. Now you can see here the difference is 0. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.